Jimbo.
Hey.
Here we are, Project Sound. All set up. Kits ready. Strings ready. Amps in isolation ready. Huh? Vocal room. We are ready. Sound guys. Jim again. We are ready. And we have Project Sound because Project Sound has some nice vintage analog stuff here. And that's the sound we're looking for.
The brand new one, so we could do some. You should hear this fucking thing.
Robert
It actually.
and David, and of course Jay over here doing our work, and John.
Still got it. It's much lighter, but it's still there. Yep.
Alright, let's hear it back. We're gonna listen back. Did that pass the test, or?
That part did. Was that?
That was
Yeah,
the
that's
punch.
that was the punch. You can kind of hear the punch though, but in
Yeah,
the mix you won't. What happened? Oh.
Anything there? I'm singing to it.
Everybody's waiting to see if we can get Tom out of here. He's doing very well. I don't want to freak him out, so I won't do this while he's singing, but... All right.
Thank you, sir.
All right.
Hello.
Doing excellent, Tom.
I'm ready. Save me, man.
Still going.